How to withdraw money from Phantom Wallet to Revolut. Hey guys, welcome back to our video. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how you can do this quickly and easily. Now first things first, you want to go ahead and open up your Revolut account, because from there we are going to get the address that we need in order to receive or transfer the funds from. Now inside the Revolut application, you can just go ahead and navigate through the crypto options or the crypto category. You simply want to click on received, and from there you can then go ahead and select the desired cryptocurrency that you want to receive from the Phantom Wallet. Now right after selecting the desired cryptocurrency, a address will show up where we need to go ahead and send the crypto assets from. Basically, it will go ahead and look something like this, where you have to choose the coin, the network of that specific coin. It could be the Binance Smart Chain, Ethereum, BEP20, and all sorts of network. And from there you can then go ahead and click on the deposit address. Right after receiving the deposit address, you can now go ahead and open up the Phantom Wallet. In here, you simply want to click on send, select the crypto assets that you want to transfer, and from here you can just go ahead and paste the Solana address, the amount, click on next, and you should be good to go. If this video has been helpful, leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you on the next one. Thank you.